Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed One coming to you from the racetrack. In the past video that I was telling you about the next car I was doing, the Fly 1/32 scale GTV rally car that was originally done in the Playboy Bunny livery. And this is the one that I had soaked in the bath of isopropanol. I think it was 70%. That may be why it took so long for it to take care of the red paint that Fly had done, along with the what they call it, tampo markings that they put on there. But that's how it turned out. I used Raybestos, or not Raybestos, Rust-Oleum ×2. It's got a primer in it, rattle can paint for the white. And I used the Vallejo orange, Gulf orange, to paint the front of the car and down the side. And then I put everything back together, and I came back with my Tamiya Panaline highlighter. And yeah, basically it's done. I think it turned out pretty good. Let's see how she rolls. This is a brand new car, by the way. Runs pretty good. Of course, that white and orange shows up on the track pretty good. Let's see if I can't. Yep. Stop it right there at the hairpin grandstands. Kind of looks like Italy, doesn't it? But yeah, that's how it turned out. I'm pretty pleased with it. If this thing will focus. Acts like it doesn't want to focus. So anyway, there's another project done. If I have time, basically I'll be doing the same thing with what is probably my last body repaint project, and that's of this one, because I already have that car. But I found this shell on, and it is in great shape, by the way. It's kind of a shame to have to go into it and redo everything, but I already have the Pioneer 512 Ferrari BB. So what I'll be doing is basically what I've told y'all before, is disassembling the car, the body, getting rid of all those melted flashes there, and then pull everything apart, and then soak the body in that alcohol, and hopefully it'll do a good job on taking the paint and the tampo markings off of it. And I'll have to try to figure out what kind of livery I want to put on it. But I'm trying to remember what I did with it. Is there such a thing as too many cars? Is there? What did I do? What I do? Now, see, y'all think, oh, well, there's one right there. And I have the red one. Oh, there it is. And I'm even wearing my glasses. That's what old age will do for you. Okay, so I have the Pioneer, and I've got this one, the Nart. And then there's my other body. So basically, if I get tired of looking at one or the other, since they're the same thing, just a different livery, I can take off one of the bodies and put this one on, or so on and so forth. But I will be doing the same thing with this one. And this Alfa Romeo is a fantasy livery. I just painted it like I've seen on the internet of some of the rally cars. Didn't do anything really fancy with it. But yeah, that's how it turned out. So that's all I have for you today, folks. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe during the holiday, during Christmas. God love you. Hope you got Jesus. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.